Hey guys, I'm headed home to grab some balloon decorations. I have one event today. Well, I had two events, but I'm doing one event now where it's just 2 balloon columns. And I realized I have not filmed any content, and I'm feeling burnt out, but I do still need to film something. So come along with me, and I'll try my best to film what I can. The thing of it is, it's at a place called Urban Air, and I just got off the phone with the guy. He said they only allow you 15 minutes to do some balloon decorations. Don't even get me started. But anywho, y'all follow along. Come on with me.
Okay, guys, I just made it to the location. We are at Urban Air in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm doing 2 organic balloon columns for a little girl who has autism. She just turned 10, and her mother says this is the first year that she ever asked for a birthday party. So I'm so excited to be a part of this.
I think the name is Anna Gomez.
Give me 1 second because I know there's a party right now going on, so give me 1 second.
Okay.
Are you the one decorator or just dropping up the balloons?
I'm just the decorator.
Decorator, give me 1 second.
Okay. Hey. Okay, can you show me where it is? I'm just dropping out balloons. I don't need to do. Okay, so it's probably gonna be up against this wall right here. They don't got the room together. It's still dirty. They don't got it together just yet, but that's fine because I told them I can work around them. I'm just there to do my balloon columns, but I do want to get them up before my client gets here because I want her to see the beautifulness of it all. Y'all wish me luck. I'm so tired. Okay, guys, I just finished the setup. I just did 2 organic columns. My client hasn't arrived yet, but she's coming with a banner to put. She's coming with a banner to put in between these 2 garlands, and I'll show you in just 1 second. So here is a 1 column, organic column. I did the props myself, and comment down below if you would like a tutorial on how I do these easy props. The theme of today is called Superkitties. I've never heard of Superkitties before, but apparently it's a popular kids thing. All right, so I'm just gonna wait on my client and hope they like it.
And this is the way my columns turned out. This is a very nice theme. I like the way the colors came together. Now stay tuned because I want to talk about burnout, which a lot of solopreneurs go through.
All right, let's talk about burnout. Burnout. I just came back from Jamaica. I vlogged it, so I will come up with a video about that. But anywho, I needed to have a vacation because I was experiencing burnout. I am very, very grateful for everything that I am able to do and all the clients that I have amassed. I am very, very grateful for that. However, sometimes when you in this solopreneurship, you feel like you are a hamster on a wheel, and sometimes you just want to get off the wheel. I just be wanting to get off the wheel sometimes and let somebody else do it and just bring me the money. But I realize I can't do that. But it's very important that you carve out some time for yourself if you are working by yourself, because it's very easy to get burnout. You don't need to make all of the money. It's okay to refer them balloons to somebody else if it's a little small job that you don't want to do. Refer them to somebody else. You don't need all the money because you're going to get burnt out quick. And it ain't enough money in the world that's worth you going into the hospital. So I went on vacation because I was starting to feel like that burnout sensation where I'm not sleeping. My hair is falling out. I'm not spending any time with my child or my husband. I'm getting that guilty feeling like, oh, I'm missing so much of life because I'm trying to be on this paper chase. I'm trying to chase this dream. I'm trying to be this big balloon artist in my city. I'm trying to have this company where I have people working for me. I'm trying to do all of the things, right? But I have to learn to like take care of myself, because like right now I'm back, but I feel like I'm still running on fumes, and I don't know how to really navigate that. I don't know how to say no. I'm trying my best to like delegate balloons and stuff, balloon art or whatever. See, I can't even talk right because I'm so tired. I just finished setting up, so I am going to go get something to eat, and then I'll go back and break down. It's not that much to break down. I might just leave them columns there and tell them to break it down, and then go home and take me a nap. So,
And that's all I have for you today. Remember in this business to always take care of yourself. And remember, Jesus loves you and so do I. Okay, bye.